Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn your face into 3D cartoon on a CapCut application. So here I already have the video with showing the face of a girl, and let's turn like her face into the 3D cartoon. So the CapCut supports this by the features that they provide on their application. So the way is just go click the clip that you want to turn the face into the 3D cartoon, and after that you just need to take a look on these features and just jump into this style. And in this style sections you just need to like scrolling into the left side until you got portrait, and in this portrait they will be showing up here the only style that active to be used for your video, and then you just need to go click it, and now you just need to wait until this style or this effect is applied into the video. And you need to consider that it's only work for the video that's showing clearly the face on the whole video, and then you just need to go click checklist button, and here is the result. You can see that her face is changed into the 3D cartoon. So this is after the effect, and this is before the effect. So that's the way how to turn your face into 3D cartoon on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.